Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to merge vertices in Blender. This is default scene in Blender. I will use the default cube for showing how to merge vertices. Now we select the cube and go to Edit Mode, and then make sure that we use the vertex selection, and then we can select the first vertex, the second vertex, the third object, and the last vertex. Now we can go to merge and go to merge. We can merge as center, merge as cursor, collapse, merge as first, and merge as last. Or we can use M to show the merge menu, so we can choose merge as center. If we want to change the positioning of merge, we can go to the merge menu and we can choose merge as cursor, the 3D cursor, merge and collapse, merge, and move the vertex to first selection, and merge and move the vertex to last selection for the vertex. So this is how we can merge vertices in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video. Bye bye.